Today, the angels bring a profound message to you. The person on your mind, the one whom, no matter how hard he tries, he can't forget, is going through a silent conflict that you may not have fully realized yet. He tries to pull away, to create an emotional distance that, to everyone's eyes, seems definitive. But the truth is, deep inside him, there are wounds that prevent him from moving forward as he would like. And even if he doesn't admit it, you are the only person capable of helping to heal those scars. Since the first encounter, something in him changed. You brought forth feelings he thought were forever dormant. He felt his soul tremble, as if suddenly, your presence reminded him of what it truly means to be loved. This sensation deeply shook him because, throughout his life, he has accumulated wounds so deep that believing in love again has become an almost unbearable challenge. The angels reveal that, despite this invisible barrier he has raised, there is a flame inside him that has never gone out. He tries to convince himself that pulling away is the best choice, that maintaining emotional distance will protect him from further suffering. But no matter how hard he tries to distance himself, the truth is, he thinks of you more than he would like to admit. In the silent nights, when the world seems at peace, he is invaded by memories of the two of you, and doubts about whether he is making the right decisions start to corrode his soul. He carries with him a pain that, oftentimes, he doesn't know how to express. Traumas from past relationships have left scars that he never allowed himself to fully heal. These fears push him away from you, as a way of self-protection. However, the angels are saying that this distancing doesn't reflect what he truly feels. It's a reflection of his insecurities, the fear of getting hurt again, and reliving old pains that he still carries. As confusing as his actions may seem, they are a desperate attempt to find security amidst the emotional chaos he is living. He feels an urgent need for protection, to keep his heart closed to avoid new wounds. But the angels want you to know that this heart, even though protected by high walls, is searching for healing. And you, with your serene and loving presence, are the key to open that door. The role you play in this story is essential. You have been placed on his path for a greater spiritual reason. The universe doesn't do anything by chance, and your mission beside him is to help him rediscover faith and love, to believe that, despite the scars, it's possible to feel something true and deep again. However, this process won't be easy. He is in a constant internal battle, fighting against his own shadows, trying to find a path that makes sense. Often, he may seem distant, confused, even cold. But behind that behavior, there is a man who wishes, more than anything, to surrender to the love he feels for you. He just doesn't know how. The fear of reliving past pains is so great that, at times, he prefers to escape than to confront. Yet, the angels whisper in his heart that you are the light he needs to rediscover himself. The healing he seeks will not come all at once. It will be a slow, gradual process, where each small step forward will be an important one. And you, with your patience and compassion, will be the support he so desperately needs. The angels ask you not to give up, even when the path seems arduous. Your role in this journey is to be the guide who will help him overcome his fears and rediscover the capacity to love. While he battles his internal struggles, you will also face your own challenges. The journey alongside him will require an emotional strength from you that may often seem exhausting. There will be moments when you question if it's worth continuing, if he is truly ready for the love you have to offer. And it is in those moments that your angels ask you to keep the faith. True love, the kind that transforms lives, is not built without challenges. It is forged in the midst of trials, but in the end, the outcome is always magnificent. Every gesture you make, every word of affection you offer, is like a seed planted in his heart. And slowly, these seeds will begin to bloom. He will start to realize that the distance he tries to keep from you is not enough to extinguish what he feels. And gradually, he will see that no matter how much he tries to run away, the truth is that what he truly desires is to be by your side. The angels want you to know that you are not alone on this journey. They are by your side, guiding each step, whispering words of comfort and encouragement. In moments when doubt tries to take over your heart, remember that the universe is working in your favor. With each challenge, you are being strengthened, prepared to experience a love that transcends the barriers of fear and insecurity. His healing will also be yours. By helping him overcome his pains, you will also be healing parts of yourself that may still need attention. True love is an exchange, where both heal and grow together. And the angels see a bright future for the two of you, where the pains of the past will be replaced by a complete and blessed love. As time goes by, you will start to notice subtle changes in him. Maybe it's a gaze that lasts longer than usual, or an unexpected message that arrives when you least expect it. These small actions are signs that he is slowly breaking down the walls he built around his heart. However, it is important to remember that these changes will not happen linearly. There will be days when he seems to take a step forward, only to take 2 steps back. This can be frustrating, but the angels ask you to keep the faith. He is in a deep process of self-reflection, revisiting old pains and questioning his choices and paths. He knows that something needs to change, but for now, he is not sure how to make these transformations. It is at this point that your role becomes even more important. Your presence offers him a sense of security that he doesn't find anywhere else. When he is with you, no matter how much he tries to hide it, he feels that he can finally let his guard down, even if only for a few moments. The angels reveal that this journey is as much yours as it is his. The love you are meant to build will not only be about the present, but also about healing the past. Both of you have scars that need healing, and this relationship has the potential to be a divine tool for mutual transformation. By his side, you will also face parts of yourself that may still be sore, and together, you can tread a path of healing that few can experience. But this journey will require patience. And the angels make it clear that patience doesn't mean waiting passively. It means acting with compassion, keeping your heart open, and at the same time, taking care of yourself. True love is never a one-way street. You cannot lose yourself in the desire to heal the other. That is why it is essential for you to continue nurturing your own light, staying strong, balanced, and at peace with who you are. He is at a point in his life where many things seem uncertain. The fear of reliving past disappointments makes him hesitate, but the desire to build something real with you grows stronger. Deep down, he knows that the love he feels for you is unlike anything he has ever experienced, and that scares him. It's as if suddenly, he finds himself facing an opportunity that could change everything, but he's not sure if he's ready to embrace this transformation. The angels are by his side, guiding each step and whispering words of courage. They know he carries a heavy emotional burden and often feels like giving up. But at the same time, he feels their presence as a beacon in the darkness, reminding him that there is something worth fighting for. And no matter how much he tries to ignore or push away that feeling, the love he has for you is undeniable. You may have already noticed that, in moments of silence when he seems more distant, he is actually processing everything that is happening within himself. These silences are not a sign of disinterest, but rather an internal battle he is fighting. He thinks of you more often than he would like to admit, and often he is overcome by a sense of regret for not being able to be more open about what he feels. It is important for you to understand that this healing process is his own. As much as you may desire, you cannot accelerate the changes. The role you play is to be the safe harbor he can turn to, knowing he will find love, patience, and understanding. The angels show that this love is unique, rare, and precious, and therefore deserves all the effort both of you are willing to put into it. However, as he journeys on this path of self-discovery, you must also take this opportunity to look within yourself. Ask yourself what you truly want from this relationship, what your boundaries are, and how you can ensure that your own needs are met. It's not about sacrificing who you are to save him, but about finding a balance where both of you can grow and heal together. The journey you are on is sacred. The angels reveal that there is a greater purpose behind each challenge, and that this love has the potential to be transformative for both of you. However, it will require a sincere commitment from both of you and the willingness to face your shadows. He, more than anyone, is aware that he needs to change. But this change won't be easy. There is much he still needs to understand about himself, and this process can be painful and lengthy. The angels urge you to keep an open heart, but also to protect yourself. It is important for you to know the difference between supporting someone and carrying the weight of their battles on your shoulders. True love is one that heals, strengthens, and allows both to grow together, without either losing their own essence. Therefore, they suggest that you continue to cultivate your own happiness. Engage in activities that bring joy, seek moments of solitude to reflect and reconnect with yourself. When you are at peace with yourself, you can offer the best of yourself to others. This will send them a powerful message, that you are stable, balanced, and ready to welcome them when they are prepared to take the next step. The angels are preparing a special path for both of you, where love can fully blossom, but this path is paved with patience and mutual growth. While he deals with his own internal conflicts, you may feel like you are on an emotional roller coaster, where hope and uncertainty constantly alternate. The angels understand how difficult this can be for you, but they are sending you strength so you can maintain balance. With each passing day, he finds himself more drawn to you, but this attraction also scares him. There is something about you that makes him want to be a better person, that inspires him to face his fears and open his heart. But at the same time, this transformation requires a courage that he is still developing. He has been hurt before, and the idea of opening up completely to someone again leaves him paralyzed with fear. Nevertheless, the angels want you to know that, despite all this fear, the love he feels for you is growing every day. He is starting to realize that you are not like the people who hurt him in the past. You are different, someone who brings him peace in the midst of the storm, someone who, no matter how difficult it is for him to admit, is the safe harbor he has always sought. But this realization is a process, and the journey there won't be easy. He will have moments of doubt, where he will feel the need to distance himself, believing it's the best way to protect himself. These moments may be painful for you, but it's important to remember that they are part of his healing process. He is on a journey of rediscovery, where he needs to find his inner strength before he can fully surrender to you. The angels are working behind the scenes, creating situations and opportunities for him to face his fears head-on. He is receiving signs from the universe, whether in dreams, repeated numbers, or even through songs playing on the radio, that constantly remind him of you. Deep down, he knows that the love he feels for you is true, but now he needs time to accept it and allow himself to feel without fear. You may wonder if it's worth continuing to wait. The angels are here to assure you that it is. They show that this is a rare love, something few people have the chance to experience in life. However, like all great loves, it requires patience and dedication. With every small change you notice in him, with every unexpected gesture of affection, it will be proof that he is getting closer and closer to you. But as he travels this path, you must ensure that your own light continues to shine. Don't let the weight of his challenges dim your energy. Find ways to keep nurturing your spirit, whether through moments of tranquility, hobbies that bring you joy, or even a deeper connection with your own spirituality. The more in harmony you are with yourself, the more prepared you will be to receive the love he has to offer when he is ready. True love doesn't happen instantly. It is built through small steps, overcoming challenges, and growing stronger over time. The angels are revealing that what you are creating together has the potential to be enduring and deeply fulfilling, but this will only be possible if both are willing to face their own shadows and grow together. This process of self-discovery is not just about him. You are also being called to look within yourself and identify what needs healing. Perhaps there are fears or insecurities that you carry, and this relationship is bringing up these issues so they can be resolved. The angels remind you that this is an opportunity for both of you to transform, to become stronger and more complete versions of yourselves. While he navigates the uncertainties of his heart, you are strengthening, discovering the immense capacity you have to love and to be patient. In the end, this journey will not only be about the love between the two of you, but also about the love you have rediscovered for yourself. This is the kind of love that transcends time and difficulties, and that has the power to transform lives. The angels want you to know that even in the moments when things seem toughest, they are by your side. They are guiding you, helping to strengthen your faith, and sending signs that everything is unfolding according to the divine plan. Every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth, and every small step he takes towards you is a sign that true love is drawing near. He, in turn, is beginning to realize that he can no longer run away from the feelings he has for you. Every time he tries to pull away, the universe reminds him that the love you share is special and deserves to be experienced. And slowly, he is starting to accept that. He still has fears, but now he is more aware that fear cannot continue to rule his life. The angels ask you to keep trusting the process. Your journey together is far from over, and there is much love and joy waiting for you in the future. However, for this love to flourish, both need to be ready to fully surrender, without reservations. He is moving in that direction, and with each passing day, he is closer to overcoming his fears and embracing the love he feels for you. Now, as both of you continue your individual journeys of growth and healing, the angels show that something significant is about to happen. He is approaching a moment of clarity, a point where the doubts that surrounded him will begin to dissipate, making room for a new understanding of what he truly desires. This is the moment you and he have been waiting for, a time where the barriers that kept him from love begin to crumble. This awakening will not happen all at once. They will be small signs, gestures showing that he is ready to take a step towards you. It could be a lingering glance, an unexpected message, or an invitation to spend more time together. These gestures, however small they may seem, are the beginning of a greater transformation. He is finally realizing that the love he feels for you is stronger than any fear he has of getting hurt again. The angels want you to prepare for this moment. They show that your patience and love were not in vain. Everything you've invested in this relationship, all the effort, all the waiting, is about to bear fruit. But it's important that when this moment comes, you are at peace with yourself, ready to receive his love without the insecurities that may have arisen along this journey. This healing process, both for him and for you, was necessary. The angels are saying that, without this phase of growth and learning, the love between you would not have the depth and strength that is about to achieve. You both needed to go through these trials to be ready for each other in a full and truthful way. What is to come is a love that transcends the barriers of fear, a love built on trust, respect, and mutual surrender. You are being prepared to live something rare, something that few people have the opportunity to experience. However, the angels also want you to understand that, although this is a time of celebration, the road ahead will still require dedication. True love is not a finish line, it is a continuous process of learning and growth. Even when he finally takes the step you've been waiting for so long, there will still be challenges that you will need to face together. But now, after everything you've been through, you will be stronger, more connected, and ready to face these challenges with confidence and love. He, in turn, will begin to open up in ways you may not have expected. What once seemed like an insurmountable barrier will start to crumble, and he will find himself more willing to share his emotions, fears, and dreams with you. This vulnerability will be a clear sign that he trusts you in a way he has never trusted anyone before. And as he opens up, you will also realize that you are ready to fully surrender, without the doubts that used to haunt you. The angels ask that, at this moment, you continue to be the source of light and support you have always been. He will need your constant presence as he navigates these new emotions and makes room for the love you are destined to live. Remember that you do not have to carry the full weight of this journey alone. You are in this together, and now more than ever, your love is ready to blossom. As you embark on this new phase, the angels show that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Synchronicities will start to appear more frequently, unexpected encounters, signs, and symbols confirming that you are on the right path. Pay attention to these signs. They are reminders that everything is unfolding according to the divine plan, and that the love you share is